Hey guys, I got my first commercial drone thing today. I'm supposed to be following some gentlemen around a golf course, and it should be pretty good. It's at the PGA West. However, we are having some technical difficulties because every time I get my insurance set up, they say there's something wrong with it, and they're not wanting to take my license because it doesn't have a back to it with it being a temporary license, and that's giving them problems. So hopefully everything goes well. It's only a couple hours till we got to get there, and kind of running out of time on all this. Hey everyone, we're at the PGA West golf course today. I'm flying my drone for some gentlemen that wanted to, get the experience and be filmed. So this is the 17th hole we're on right now. I'm getting ready for everything. I just did my pre-flight check on my drone, and hopefully we'll have some real good video for you today.
You're the only
Hey guys, I'm back here at the camper. I had a great day filming the people at the PGA West. I want to thank them for giving me that opportunity, and I hope I did good for them. I hope you've enjoyed some of our little, B-roll and stuff that I'm going to show you. I'll show you a little bit of the video. We didn't run into any problems. Once I got there, we got everything sorted out, and the PGA West people were very nice about everything. We had some issues with our insurance and with our license, but after a while we got it all sorted out and just, went and did what we went to go do.